that's fast. Now for my next trick, I will die proud.
Put on my duffel with these blades and they just got polished. Thinking about the day, bring me nothing but silence. Running up with that bucket, I'm glad that I left my bag. You say y'all last if it happened, reply with laughter. Never won the bad, so I